Oven.
Oven.
I baked a cake in the oven.
I baked a cake in the oven.
Stove.
Stove.
The stove is hot. Be careful.
The stove is hot. Be careful.
Refrigerator.
Refrigerator.
I put the milk in the refrigerator.
I put the milk in the refrigerator.
Freezer.
Freezer.
Fish stays fresh in the freezer.
Fish stays fresh in the freezer.
Microwave.
Microwave.
Heat the soup in the microwave.
Heat the soup in the microwave.
Sink.
Sink.
Wash your hands in the sink.
Wash your hands in the sink.
Cutting board.
Cutting board.
Chop vegetables on the cutting board.
Chop vegetables on the cutting board.
Knife.
Knife.
I use a knife to cut bread.
I use a knife to cut bread.
Spoon.
Spoon.
Stir the soup with a spoon.
Stir the soup with a spoon.
Fork.
Fork.
I eat salad with a fork.
I eat salad with a fork.
Plate.
Plate.
Put your food on the plate.
Put your food on the plate.
Cup.
Cup.
Drink water from a cup.
Drink water from a cup.
Glass.
Glass.
Pour juice into a glass.
Pour juice into a glass.
Pan.
Pan.
Fry eggs in a pan.
Fry eggs in a pan.
Pot.
Pot.
Boil pasta in a pot.
Boil pasta in a pot.
Spatula.
Spatula.
Flip pancakes with a spatula.
Flip pancakes with a spatula.
Whisk.
Whisk.
Use a whisk to beat eggs.
Use a whisk to beat eggs.
Grater.
Grater.
Grate cheese with a grater.
Grate cheese with a grater.
Peeler.
Peeler.
Peel carrots with a peeler.
Peel carrots with a peeler.
Colander.
Colander.
Drain pasta in a colander.
Drain pasta in a colander.
Measuring cup.
Measuring cup.
Pour sugar into a measuring cup.
Pour sugar into a measuring cup.
Measuring spoon.
Measuring spoon.
Measure salt with a measuring spoon.
Measure salt with a measuring spoon.
Tongs.
Tongs.
Pick up salad with tongs.
Pick up salad with tongs.
Mixing bowl.
Mixing bowl.
Mix ingredients in a mixing bowl.
Mix ingredients in a mixing bowl.
Blender.
Blender.
Make a smoothie with a blender.
Make a smoothie with a blender.
Toaster.
Toaster.
Toast bread in the toaster.
Toast bread in the toaster.
Kettle.
Kettle.
Boil water in the kettle.
Boil water in the kettle.
Dishwasher.
Dishwasher.
Put dirty dishes in the dishwasher.
Put dirty dishes in the dishwasher.
Apron.
Apron.
Wear an apron while cooking.
Wear an apron while cooking.
Oven mitt.
Oven mitt.
Use an oven mitt to hold the pan.
Use an oven mitt to hold the pan.